10 years ago, there was an island off the coast of Costa Rica called Isla Nublar. There was a world that was manufactured by man, a world where dinosaurs were brought back from extinction. This world is called Jurassic World. The first dinosaur this program will observe is the gentle giant known as Brachiosaurus, with its forelimbs being longer than its hind limbs and a 30-foot neck. This herbivore was designed for stripping leaves off of trees. It is a favorite among visitors and viewers of Jurassic World, and is a staple dinosaur of Isla Nublar. Although, despite its gentle nature, it is advised not to feed these sauropods like a giraffe at a city zoo, because this giraffe lizard is capable of sneezing. The next dinosaur we will observe is Ankylosaurus. Its name means fused lizard, and it has thick keratin plating on its back from head to tail. Its tail has a bony club at the end, which could fatally wound a Tyrannosaurus. It's basically a living tank that all predators fear. All but one. The Indominus Rex, a hybrid theropod, is here to hunt the Ankylosaurus. She has bulletproof skin and elongated forelimbs. Will these features Dr. Wu blessed her with help her in the fight? Let's observe. As we can see, the Ankylosaurus has a weakness after all. Its soft underbelly and stubby legs. While the Indominus Rex is intelligent, there's one dinosaur who's smarter. The Velociraptor is a dromaeosaurid theropod that specializes in hunting in packs and using its sickle-shaped claws to pin prey to the ground. It has caused many fatal incidents in the past, but now we know they can be obedient if raised in a relationship built on respect. However, our trainer here still struggles to prevent them from disemboweling him, as seen here. That night, the people behind Jurassic World realized the Indominus is too dangerous and have sent the raptors to hunt her down. This will be an intense confrontation. Two worthy opponents, a battle of the ages. Wait a second, they're communicating? Shut the program off! Shut it off! If they find this out, I'll be fired!